Good morning, my dear students. From this video, we are going to see about chapter number 4, operating system concept. In that chapter, today we are going to see about process management algorithms. So what are the different types of process management algorithms? What are the main responsibility of each and every algorithms? That thing only we are going to discuss from this class. So we have 4 different types of process management algorithms. We are simply called that is what? Scheduling algorithms. So right from the beginning, that is first one is FIFO, the second one is SJF, that is shortest job first, number 3 round robin, and number 4 based on priority. These are the 4 different types of scheduling algorithms under the process management in operating system. We'll see one by one. The first topic, FIFO. So that is nothing but first in first out. So the word have a meaning. The first process will come first, then automatically it will be execute first. That is the meaning of what? First in first out. So this algorithm is based on queuing technique. What is the name of the technique? Queue. So why the name is called queuing? For example, if you want to visit any movie counter or ticket counter, automatically they will made a queue. So in that queue, what happened? Who enter the first, that people only come out first. Yes or not? This is the queue logic. So that's what this FISO is also called as what technique? Queuing technique. Assume that a student is standing in a queue to get grade sheet from his teacher. The other student who stands first in the queue gets his sheet first and leaves from the queue. Followed by the next student in the queue gets his guided and so on. Yeah, of course. Already I told the same example in a ticket counter or any movie based counter like that. So this is the basic logic for the first in first out algorithm. Technically, the process that enters the queue first is executed by the CPU, followed by the next and so on. So this is the order. One by one the job should be allocated and it will be executed. That is the main purpose of this FIFO algorithm. See the example of this first in first out. See the job. So this is the location. So in this location, these are the different stages 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. At very first A enter inside. Okay, the next one B enter inside. So automatically it will be create one queue like that, right? So in this two boxes, which one will enter first? A only, right? So A only come out first. The next one B. So this is example of what? First in first out. So the first in first out algorithm is also called as queuing technique. Understood? Right. Then second one, shortest job first. So what is the meaning? So which job is very short that will be automatically executed at very first? That is the meaning of what? Shortest job first scheduling algorithms. This algorithm works based on the size of the job. So based on the size of the job, automatically it will be executed by the CPU. See the example. Consider the two jobs A and B. A is nothing but 6 kilobytes. That is the size of the particular job, and B is nothing but 9 kilobytes. So when comparing these different types of job, which one is the very shortest memory space? The first one, A. So automatically A will be assigned the first, then B will be assigned the next. So this is a concept of what? Shortest job first scheduling algorithms. Okay, so here see the example. There are 4 processes, like there are 4 process like P1, P2, P3 and P4. These are the 4 process. So the process 1 duration is 6 minutes. The process 2 duration is 8 minutes. Process 3 duration is 7 minutes and process 4 duration is 3 minutes. So comparing these 4 process, which one is the very less duration? That is what P4. So automatically P4 allocate the first one. See that? P4 should be allocated the first one. So the total duration is what? Start from 0. The total duration is what? 3. Right? Yes. So that is the first one. Then number 2. Which one is the second shortest value? And comparing remaining the values. 6. That is what? P1. So P1 should allocate. So after 3, the duration is 6 minutes. So 6 plus 3, 9. Understood? P1 is 6. So already we reached 3 minutes, right? So 6 plus 3, 9 minutes. So once you complete this process 1, automatically you can reach 9 minutes. Then next one, which one is the third shortest job? That is nothing but what? P3. That is what? 7. So already we reached 9. 9 plus 7, that is what? 16. So that is the current process duration. Then finally, that is 8. So 16 plus 8, that is what? 24. So here, as per the diagrammatic representation, the gray color is the very shortest job, then red color is the second shortest job, and third, this navy blue is the third shortest job, and fourth one is sandal. Okay, so here as per the process P4, P1, P3, P2, like this, the waiting time is 0 and 3 and 9 and 16. So obviously it should be totally, you can calculate, it means the total time is what? 24. Okay, then how can you find the average waiting time? The formula is what? 0 plus 3 plus 9 plus 16. All the 4 waiting times should be added together and divided by 4. Automatically we can get 7. So this is an example of what? Shortest job first. The next one is round robin scheduling. This is another scheduling algorithm in process management. So the name have a meaning, round robin scheduling, that is simply we call RR. This algorithm is designed for especially the time sharing systems. It just sharing the time period of the particular job. So job are assigned to the process, assigned and processor time in a circular method. Okay, it just assign the process and automatically the time should be allocated in the circular method. So that's what this is, what? Round robin. For example, take 3 jobs A, B, C. The first, the job A is assigned to CPU, then job B and job C, and then again A, B, C and so on. So as per the time period or time sharing option, you can allocate the job in the round robin scheduling algorithms. Okay. So this is the another one based on the priority. This is the fourth and last process management algorithm. So here this option, especially the given job is assigned based on the priority. So what priority you can give, as per the priority, the job should be execute. Understood? The job which was higher priority is more important than other jobs. So which job you can give the more higher priority, automatically should be execute first. See the listen, take 2 jobs A and B, and the priority of A is 5 and priority of B is 7. So comparing these two job, which one is the most priority? B, that is what? 7. So automatically job B is assigned to the processor before job A. So that is a logic. Understood? So which one is the higher priority? Automatically it should be working. So we see the example. The priority of A is what? 5. The priority of B is what? 7. So which one is higher? And comparing these two, 7 is higher. So automatically job B, that is what? That is higher priority, will be done first. That is the logic of what? Based on priority. So these are the different types of process management scheduling algorithms we have. Understood? Yes. Then last key feature is security management. Okay. So what is the meaning of security management? The major challenge in computer and software industry is what? Security. To protect the user valid data from hackers. Understood? So the operating system provides 3 levels of securities to the user end. Please note down. Number 1 is what? File access level. Number 2 is what? System level. Number 3 is what? Network level. These are the 3 category the operating system should provide the security management. Understood? So we can secure the data based on these categories. We'll see one by one. The first one is file access level. So before that, in order to access the files created by the other people, you should have the access permission. Yeah, of course. You must give the permission to access. Permissions can either be granted by the creator of the file or by the administrator of the system. So any one of the people can give the permission to the user. The next one, system level security is offered by the password in a multi-user environment. So if you are working with multi-user environment, automatically you can provide the system level security to provide the password. Understood? The next one, both Windows and Linux offer the password facility. So these two operating system, they can provide the password facility for password facility for secure the data. The next one, network security is an indefinable one. That is mean what? Indefinable means what? We can't able to define. So people from all over the world try to provide such a security. Why? Because in internet, all over the people are connected together, right? So you can't able to identify where it will be you the security will provide. We can't able to understand, we can't able to identify. So that's what they are telling, like it is an indefinable one. So people from all the over the world try to provide the security like that. So all the security features are provided by only by OS. So which one will give all these kind of security features will provide the user? Everything will be OS alone. So that's what I told in the beginning. OS is very very important. That is what operating system is very very important to the computer. Understood? Yes. So these are the different types of security management to provide the operating systems. Like this is one of the pictorial representation of different types of security process in the system. Okay. Yes. The next security management first பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, first one is what file access level பார்த்தோம், then system level பார்த்தோம், the next one is what network level பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா. The next key feature is what fault tolerance. So what is the meaning of fault tolerance? Fault means what? Mistake or error, like that. So operating system should provide robust. Should be robust means what? Very strong. When there is any fault, automatically the operating system should not crash. Instead of that, the operating system has fault tolerance capability and retaining the existing state of systems. So suppose if you are working with any operating system, suddenly your operating system having any problem or any crashing, in the sense automatically what happened? It does not stop the execution. Okay, it just retain all the process, and more or less it will be solve the problems by own way. Understood? So that is the main purpose of what? This fault tolerance. So any errors, any major errors came now, it should be automatically rectified. Okay, so don't worry about that. So that's what it is, a fault tolerance. We should be tolerate the fault. Okay, so that's what operating system concept is a very robust. Understood? Yes. The next one, file management. So the word have a meaning. We are going to manage the files. So how can we manage the files in operating system? So file management is an important function of OS which handles the data storage technique. Yeah, of course, each and every data, if you want to perform now, automatically all the data should be stored in the memory part, right? So this is a technique to handle all the data, whatever you can store inside the memory part. Then point number two, OS manages the files and folders and the directories of your computer. So in computer, each and every files and folders and directories, everything should be managed. Okay. Then third one, any type of data in a computer is stored in the form of files and directories through the file allocation table. So with the help of FAT, automatically all type of data should be stored inside the computer, like a file or directories. So what is the difference between file and directories? File is nothing but it contains data and information. What is a directory? Directory is nothing but collection of files or folders. Directory இன்னொரு பேரு folders. So folder contains what? Collection of different files. Then the next one, FAT stores general information about files like file name, file type, then file size, then starting address, half memory, and access mode. These are the different types of informations it will be provided are stored in the FAT process. So file allocation table will provide all these kind of informations of the particular file. Okay. Yes. The next point, the file manager of the operating system helps to create, edit, copy, allocate memory to the files, and also update the FAT. So file manager also provide these kind of action. What are the actions? We can create the file and also edit the file and also copy or allocating memory in the file. Everything should be done. Okay. Then OS also take care of the files that are opened with proper access rights to read and edit them. Yeah, of course. The OS have a responsibility to take care of all the files that are opened in the proper access rights. Okay. Then there are a few other file management techniques are available in the next generation file system. One is what? NTFS, another one is ext2. So these are the two different types of file management techniques involving in OS. So one is what? NTFS, another one is what? Extension 2 Okay, so the NTFS, what is expansion of NTFS? Next generation file system. Next generation file system. So that is expansion of NTFS. The next one is NTFS for only uh, Windows. The next one, Linux, is extension 2. EXT means extension 2. These are the two different categories of file management techniques are using in the operating systems. Understood? Yes, that's it. So these are the different informations about the file management. This is a example of file management. This is one of the directory. This directory contains different types of subfolders. So inside the subfolders, take in one folder. Inside the folder, we can have two different types of file. So these two as a file, these two files are stored in a one particular folder. That particular folder is stored in another particular folder or directory. So this is a way you can manage all the files and folders inside the computer using the operating system. So the operating system provide the file management responsibilities also. Understood? Yes. So that's all about the different types of file management and also the security management, everything. So these are the different types of features are involving in the operating systems. So these are the key features, these are the main features of operating systems. So this topic we are going to complete. Yes, the remaining, the 4.5 prominent operating systems, that is a reduced syllabus portion. So no need to explain the particular topic, you just omit that. So that's all about this chapter number 4. So whatever already we discussed, everything will be go through it and keep learning. Okay, see you in the next class for the next chapter. Thank you, all of you.